Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. Did you do anything interesting over the weekend?
Yeah, I went to the park with my friends. We played soccer and had a barbecue.
Sounds fun. I watched a movie at home. What movie did you see recently?
I watched a comedy called Funny Times. It made me laugh a lot. Have you seen any good movies lately?
Not yet. I've been busy with work. By the way, do you like reading?
Yeah, I enjoy reading. I'm currently reading a mystery novel. What about you?
I love reading too. I'm into science fiction. Can you recommend a good mystery book?
Sure, The Silent Detective is a great one. You might like it.
Thanks. I'll check it out. Oh, by the way, do you know any good places to eat around here?
Yeah, there's a nice Italian restaurant on Maple Street. The pasta there is delicious.
That sounds perfect. Let's go there for lunch one day.
Definitely. How about this Friday?
Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to it.
Great. See you on Friday, Sarah.
See you, John.